Good morning, class 11 students. We have did the trigonometry chapter, and I told you at the end of last video that the trigonometry chapter is still not over, and we still left with one part. Okay, so that part we are gonna complete now. So I have written here total 6 questions. These two are of similar type. These two are of similar type. These two are of similar type. So out of these two, I will do this one. Out of these two, I will do this one. So I will do this one on the board, this one on the board, and this one on the board. Rest is your job. Okay, they are of similar types. Now see, this what is the specialty about this type of question? This condition is a specialty about this type of question. If a plus b plus c equals to pi, that means a, b, c are the angles of triangle. उनका sum 180 degree है. So what's the job is? Job is to apply the formulas. Try to make like angles same करना है. Using these conditions. Sometimes you will see a plus b in the place of a plus b substitute pi minus c. Sometimes you see b plus c in the place of b plus c substitute pi minus a. In this you will make like angles, take out common, you will get the answer. So let's start with the question number 2. Now see question number 2 LHS. Cos 4a plus cos 4b plus cos 4c. This is the question. Now can you apply any formula? Cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b. Okay, this 4a will consider as a and 4b as considered as b. What is the formula of cos a plus cos b? फॉर्मूला क्या होता है 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. ये फॉर्मूला है. तो अब तुम्हारे पास a की जगह क्या है 4a और b की जगह क्या है 4b. So 2 cos a plus b that means what 4a plus 4b divided by 2. तो 4 बाहर आएगा तो 2a plus 2b आएगा. कैंसिल. ओके, so I'm writing 2 cos a plus b 4a plus 4b divided by 2 is 2a plus 2b into cos a minus b by 2. 4a minus 4b divided by 2 is 2a minus 2b plus cos 4c. इसको ऐसे छोड़ दो, कुछ मत करो because till now I don't have any idea what to do with this stuff. Keep it like this. Now मैंने क्या बोला था a plus b लाओ, b plus c लाओ and substitute. So we are taking out 2 common so that we can get a plus b. Rest everything remains the same. We got a plus b. Now in the place of a plus b I can substitute pi minus c. So मैंने pi minus c लिख दिया. a plus b की जगह pi minus c लिया. Rest everything remains the same. Now इसको खोलो cos 2 pi minus 2c. अब ये एंगल क्या 2c आ गया ना, सो आई हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस एंगल इनटू 2c. तो ये यहां पे कौन सा फॉर्मूला आएंगे cos थीटा. cos थीटा का फॉर्मूला 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 minus 1. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. तो व्हाट इज थीटा हियर 4c. cos 4c 2 cos स्क्वायर 4c by 2 minus 1. दैट इज 2 cos स्क्वायर 2c minus 1. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 2 cos स्क्वायर 2c. तो ये कैसे पता चला मुझे लाना सपना नहीं आया. आई हैव सीन दिस angle 2c बना. So I am making this angle also 2c as well as making minus 1. See, minus 1 is there in the proof that. Okay, you can see minus 1 in the proof that. So I'm writing. So that's why I'm using this expression because cos theta का बहुत सारा फॉर्मूला होता है. 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 बहुत सारा फॉर्मूला होता है. We are using this formula because we need cos and minus 1. Now इसमें quadrant cos लगाओ. This is a terminal 2 pi minus 4th quadrant में cos पॉजिटिव होता है. 2 pi is unchangeable axis. Cos will remain cos 2c. Now see, from these two, इससे और इससे, can you see common? 2 cos 2c common. What is left with? Cos 2a minus 2b plus cos 2c minus 1 अलग से, because this is there to prove that. Now 2 cos 2c, देखो 2 cos 2c तो आ गया. 2 cos 2 कहाँ गया? Sorry. Cos 2c. We got cos 2c, and we got minus 1 also. So now what to do with this one? Apply the formula cos a plus cos b. 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. So 2 common 2 कट गया. 2 common 2 कट गया. So what is left with cos 2c cos a minus b plus c cos a minus b minus c. तो माइनस निकाल के b plus c लिख दिया मैंने because we need to substitute. जहां पे a plus b plus c आएगा तो we try to make a plus b plus c. Now see okay, now इसको ऐसे छोड़ दिया. 2 into 2 becomes 4. यहां पे क्या करो a plus c pi minus b pi minus 2b. ओके, a minus pi b plus c pi minus a. तो माइनस कॉमन आएगा तो माइनस प्लस pi plus a. ओके, नाउ ये इट विल रिमेन सेम. pi minus 2b अगेन pi minus which quadrant? थिंक अबाउट इट. कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट में आता है pi minus? तो यहां पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूं वेट फॉर सम टाइम. हाँ मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गलती किया है. Okay, see, pi minus is which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant में cos negative होता है. Pi is unchangeable. Cos will remain cos 2b. Now how to solve this? Cos of 2a minus pi a. If you solve this, we will get cos of 2a minus pi. तो पहले इसको लिखो cos of minus bar pi minus 2a, so that we can use cotangent concept. Cos of minus theta becomes cos theta. Now pi again minus cos 2a. Pi minus second quadrant, second cos negative होता है. Pi is x-axis unchangeable, so you are getting again minus cos 2a minus 1. So this answer must become plus 4 cos 2c cos 2b cos 2a. Okay, the moral factor is that apply the formula and try to make a plus b plus c and try to make like angles. So apply the formula. We apply the formula. We got a plus b. We substituted. After substitution, we understand the angle is 2c. Then we work with the last part. उसको खोला cos के form में, so the angle remains the same. Again take out common. Again apply the formula. Again you try to make a plus c, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. जहां जहां बनता है वहां बनाओ और substitute करो. Okay. Let's go for the next type of sum. Okay class, now let's go for the second type, square. Cos square, cos square, cos square. You may face a question of sin square, sin square, sin square. Okay, the first question was sin, 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 cos, cos, cos. Direct formula applicable. Sin a plus sin b, cos a plus cos b. The next type of question is cos, 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 cos square, cos square, cos square. Okay, or you may face a sin square, sin square, sin square. This question I will do, this you will do. I am reading the question. Cos square a plus cos square a plus pi by 3 plus cos square a minus pi by 3 equals 3 by 2 into 4. ये तुम्हारा काम है. Okay, but listen carefully. You will not get only cos square, cos square, cos square. You may get a sin square, sin square, sin square also. Okay, now if you have a face a question of this thing, LHS, question number 3, cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c. Now we don't have any formula of this type. So we first job is to remove the squares and bring it in this format. इसको इस फर्स्ट फॉर्मेट में लाना पड़ेगा. cos 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 लाना पड़ेगा, स्क्वायर हटाना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? आई विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square, sorry, 1 plus cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta. We'll use this formula. Okay, or yes, we will use this formula. 2 cos theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, तो अब यहां से cos square cos बन जाएगा, cos square cos बन जाएगा, but फॉर्मूला बनाने के लिए 2 चाहिए. Do you understand what I am saying? We have cos square cos square cos square. We need to convert this into cos cos cos. So cos square can be converted into cos if you have 2 cos square theta. Similarly, if the same question you will get sin square sin square sin square. तो 2 sin square है, तो इसको मैं ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करूंगा, 1 minus cos 2 theta. So when we have cos square and sin square questions, your job is to convert into cos sin. Okay, but to apply this formula we need 2. So what I'm doing, I'm dividing by 2, multiplying by 2, 2, 2. Multiplying the numerator with 2 and dividing by 2. So you have 2 cos square a plus 2 cos square b minus 2 cos square c. Now this is a formula. 2 cos square is 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. Again 2 cos square b 1 plus cos 2b. Again 2 cos square c 1 plus cos 2c. Minus bracket में आ गया. Now what the student do? They forget this minus. They don't put the bracket. As soon as they don't put the bracket, job is gone. Because we have minus now, so it will become minus. When the minus will multiply, this sign will change. Okay, that's why putting a bracket is very important. Now see, 1 plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gone, we have left with 1. Plus cos 2a, cos 2b, minus cos 2c. Now see, this becomes the first question. Similar type of first two. Cos, cos, cos. Cos something plus cos something plus cos something. तो अब क्या करोगे? इस पूरी चीज को इसी के अंदर में सॉल्व करो. बहुत टफ हो जाएगा. So I'm taking this whole thing as y. You can take L, you can take N, no problem. I'm taking it as y. So half 1 plus y. This is the LHS. Take it as equation number 1. Now this part you separately solve it. And try to make this one. 2 sin A sin B cos C. इस फॉर्म में आना चाहिए. So this part how to solve we know. Just now we did the previous question. Cos A plus cos B. 2 cos A plus B by 2. 2A plus 2B divided by 2. 2A plus 2B divided by 2. 2 will cancel out, becomes A plus B. Cos of A minus B. 2A minus 2B divided by 2. A minus B minus cos 2C. Now don't do anything with this part. क्योंकि अभी देखना है. अब we got A plus B. Substitute करो pi minus C. Okay. Now what is cos of pi minus C? Rest everything remains the same. हाँ. Pi minus C second quadrant. Cos negative होता है. Pi is unchangeable x axis cos C. cos a minus b minus, अब यहाँ पे we got cos c, that means here also the angle 2c need to be converted to c, so cos 2c का फॉर्मूला लगा दिया, cos theta का फॉर्मूला क्या था, 2 cos square theta by 2, what is the formula of cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, what is theta here, 2c by 2 is c, 2c divided by 2 is c minus 1, 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, ऐसा क्यों किया, ताकि एंगल c और c आ जाए। शुरू में मैंने कुछ नहीं किया इसके साथ, जब इसको मैंने ऐसा लिखा देन आई अंडरस्टूड दैट वी नीड टू मेक दिस 2c into c, ओके, नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट, +1 आ गया +1, नाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 2 cos c cos a minus b minus 2 cos square c +1, now out of these two terms I have written +1 here, now these two terms फिर से कॉमन आ रहा है, -2 cos c कॉमन, you left with cos a minus b plus cos c, now what to do, देखो cos c आ गया, we need cos c, so we got cos c, okay, now again apply formula cos a plus cos b, so 2 cos a plus b, a minus c plus c, a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2, clear, now this 2 into 2 will become 4 cos c, cos a plus c, I can write pi minus b minus b, pi minus 2b divided by 2, cos a minus pi minus c, b plus c हो जाएगा ना माइनस पाई माइनस ए, देख सकते हैं b plus c आ जाएगा, माइनस कॉमन निकालने से तो पाई माइनस ए, एज वी डिड इन द अर्लियर सिमिलर फैशन, ओके, नाउ सी वन विल रिमेन लाइक दिस, सेम, इसको क्या करेंगे, पाई बाय 2 माइनस 2b by 2 is 2, 2b by 2 is b, not 2, 2b by b is b, ओके, अगेन सॉल्व दिस, ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2a माइनस पाई आएगा, तो 2a by 2 is a minus pi by 2, now again इसको क्या करेंगे, इसको इधर लेके करेंगे, exactly the same fashion what we did earlier, again how to solve this, माइनस कॉमन निकालो इसको, so these things we do in rough, क्योंकि again if I start solving here this question become unnecessarily lengthy, so these things we do it in rough, take out minus common ताकि ये pi by 2 आगे आ जाए, so that I can apply what quadrant concept, cos of minus theta becomes cos theta, now cos of pi by 2 minus a, pi by 2 is changeable axis, pi by 2 minus is the first quadrant में cos positive होता है, changeable axis y axis, cos becomes sin a, so 1 minus 4 cos c, cos of pi by 2 minus b sin b, cos of pi by 2 minus a sin a, now this we got y, but what is LHS, we are solving LHS na, so substitute the LHS, half 1 plus y, this is y, okay, then you solve it, you will get the answer. Let's go for the next two type, tan and cot type. Okay, now to do this tan and cot type, I will not do the solution here. Okay, पहले से नहीं करूंगा, अभी बोलते करूंगा. Now see, we solve two types of solve. One is sin, cos, direct formula लगा दो, answer आ जाएगा. Take out common, try to substitute a plus b, b plus c plus a. Next cos square or sin square. Your first job is to convert this square into cos. Cos square convert to cos using the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to sin square theta or 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta. फिर वापस ये चीज करना है. Next, if you have a question of tan cot with this expression a plus b plus c equals to pi. So when we have a question of tan cot, there is no formula of tan a plus tan b. जैसे यहाँ पे तो cos a plus cos b का फॉर्मूला बनता था ना, sin a plus sin b का फॉर्मूला बनता था, वैसे tan a plus tan b का कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है, tan of a plus b का फॉर्मूला है, tan of a plus minus b का फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, tan a plus minus tan b 1 minus plus tan a tan b, ये होता है फॉर्मूला, राइट. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज tan a plus tan b का तो कोई फॉर्मूला होता नहीं है, तो इन क्वेश्चंस को कैसे करूंगा. ओके, तो इन क्वेश्चंस को करने का अलग तरीका है. स्टार्ट विद दिस a plus b plus c equals to pi. ओके, देन यू शिफ्ट एनी वन टर्म अदर साइड, शिफ्ट कर दिया. नाउ चेक आउट द एंगल ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. in this question, fifth number, angles are 2a 2b 2c, so you multiply 2a 2b 2 pi 2c. जो एंगल दिख रहा है वो एंगल बनाना है इधर. we are doing this question. Here the angle is half b by 2 a by 2. So what I will do? I will divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. अगर मुझे फिफ्थ वाला क्वेश्चन करना होता तो मैं इधर क्या करता, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into करता. क्लियर. बट आई एम डूइंग द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, So sixth question, what is the angle A by 2, B by 2, C by 2? Sum divide. Now next, in the question all are cot, so I will taking cot both the sides. को दोनों तरफ cot लेंगे. अगर question tan होता, I will take tan both the sides. So what I will do now, taking cot both the sides. Cot of A by 2 plus B by 2 equals to cot of pi by 2 minus C by 2. Okay, so how we understand cot लेना है from the question. Now apply the formula cot of A plus B. तो cot of A plus B का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? ये इधर चला जाएगा, ये इधर चला जाएगा. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? Cot A, cot B, okay, minus 1 divided by cot B by 2 plus cot A by 2 equals to cot of pi by 2. Again is terminal. We can apply quadrant concept. Pi by 2 is minus first quadrant में tan cot positive होता है. Pi by 2 is y-axis changeable, becomes tan C by 2. Okay, ये फॉर्मूला समझ में आया? कहां से आया? ये tan है ना, तो इसको cot बना देंगे. Cot of A plus minus B क्या हो जाएगा? ये इधर चला जाएगा. Cot A, cot B, sign will remain same plus 1. न्यूमरेटर बन जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर विथ लैटरल इन्वर्जन. ये इधर, ये इधर, ये इधर, ये इधर, ये इधर, तो हो जाएगा cot B प्लस माइनस cot A. तरीका है लिखने का. दिस थिंग विल गो दैट साइड, दिस थिंग विल गो दिस साइड. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला. दिस इज जस्ट अ बेसिक देसी वे टू रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूलाज दैट आई एम सेइंग. ओके, ये उधर, ये इधर, ये इधर, ये इधर. सो cot this become cot, this becomes this, then cot B here, cot A here. So I'm applying that formula here. Okay, now see what do you have left with. I need everything in terms of cot. So cot of A by 2, cot of B by 2 minus 1 divided by cot of B by 2 plus cot of A by 2 equals to, can I say 1 by cot of C by 2. Then what's the next job? Multiply करो, आंसर आ जाएगा. So cot of A by 2 into cot of B by 2 into cot of C by 2 minus 1 into cot of C by 2 equals to 1 into this cot of B by 2 plus cot of A by 2. Okay, now this will go that side, you will get the proof that part. Job is done. Clear? तो वो और एक लाइन लिख लेना खुद से. Understood class? So this is the end of actually the chapter trigonometry. There are a few other parts also, but those are omitted from the syllabus. That is equations of trigonometric equations, how to solve trigonometric equations, and this one more part called as solutions of triangles. Sides of a triangle, how it's related with angles of a triangle. How a sides of a triangle are related to angles of a triangle. Those two things are not there in a syllabus, but those formulas are given in a trigonometric. I've given you a PDF containing all the trigonometric formulas, right? Formulas are there, but we don't have in the syllabus, so we're not going to do those questions. Okay? Thank you, class.